Welcome back. So it's been some time since I've uploaded a video, so I really just want to let you guys know I'm still okay. I'm still doing my YouTube thing. It's just gonna be some time till I upload the next video. But real quick, I wanted to show you guys a quick custom that I want to go ahead and do. I actually got this bag from Daiso. It's kind of like a sling bag in a way, a fanny pack. I don't know how else you want to identify it as. But I did find this for $6 and I wanted to go ahead and print on it real quick, and I'm just going to show you guys a quick customization for today. So here is my design. I got 3 different kind of like circles that I put my CAD style logo into, and then on top here it's gonna be CAD style, designed by CAD, created for CAD, made in San Diego, 1 of 1. It's just gonna be one of those like one-off kind of customizations, nothing too crazy, very minimalistic, and I really actually like how that turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Cricut to go ahead and cut this out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and heat press it. All right, while this is cutting, I want to talk about something real quick. Now you guys are probably wondering why I'm not using my sewing machine as much. It's just because of the trends. Right now, it's not really about the cut and sew, the design, I guess, the overall design of the clothing. It's more about the graphic design. I think I've talked about this a couple of times now, and it sucks because I really love sewing, and don't get me wrong, I still sew things. Like I have this pile of clothing that I have not even touched it. I got a taper, I got some denim, I got all that, and I got all the stuff that I gotta do. But right now, this is just something that I'm focusing on. I know that a lot of people are like, yo, where are the customization videos? But honestly, right now, the wave is all about the graphic prints. So I just want to experiment. I just want to, try new venues, like I've been saying in the last couple of videos. So I'm just going to be printing this on to what is over here. Sorry about the water bottles. Anyways, so I got this fanny pack to give you guys like an idea of what's, to kind of take from this fanny pack. Got a little zipper here, got 2 compartments for water bottles. Now honestly, you can't really, that's not what you should really put in there. I would just put your keys to really display it safe. So on the inside, it's very simple, just a little pocket here, and then just a huge space to carry stuff. Usually with this, I honestly just throw my cell phone in there, I throw my wallet, whatever else I need to put or have for the day, I just throw that in there, strap it around my body, and that's pretty much it. I want to make my own version here. I'm going to be putting the print, all that print you saw earlier here, and then up at top, I'm going to be putting all the symbols. I'm just going to be putting it stack. So this is the placement of the CAD style. It's just going to be on the kind of like the cover of the, I don't even know what to call this. Is this a fanny pack, sling bag, whatever it may be. It's a fanny pack. I'm just going to call it a fanny pack. So I'm going to be putting 3 across the top there. Alright, so this is going to be the front side of the fanny pack. I don't know how this is going to work because there's like so much stuff on the sides. I don't know how I'm going to heat press this, but let's just try it. So this part of the bag was such a big problem, but I was able to finally heat press it with a combination of manipulation of placement and this and that. But I was able to get it onto the front side of the fanny pack, CAD style, designed by CAD, created by CAD, made in San Diego, 1 of 1. And then on top, we just have the 3 just going all the way across the top side. If you guys are wondering what that says, it just says CAD style. That's all it's going to be. But yeah, that's going to be my new fanny pack, nice and customized for the summertime. It is heating up, so I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more. Now I'm going to be doing a lot more customs with accessories as well. I don't know what I'm going to do next, but if you guys have any suggestions, feel free to drop that down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I do apologize for the lack of videos, but I'm going to be doing a lot more as time goes on. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to follow me on Instagram at CanAndrewDaily, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.